We are going to find equations of lines using y equals mx plus b, or your slope-intercept form. To write an equation of the line that passes through a given point and has a given slope, we have 3 steps we have to complete. Substitute the point x sub 1, y sub 1, and the slope m into the appropriate positions. If you'll notice, if I substitute in y here, slope here, x here, then all I have is one variable left, and I can solve for that. So in this first one, let me write down my formula. Substitute my y in, which is 7, my slope, negative 6/7, in parentheses, substitute in your x. It says solve for the y-intercept, which is the letter that I have left. So 0 times that would give me 0. So it looks like I've got 0 plus b, or b equals 7. You are not done. Step 3, we have to write the equation in the form of f of x or y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to use y is equal, go get my slope, go get my y-intercept. So that would be the equation that goes with that information. We've got another one. Let's try this again. I'm going to put my y value, my slope, my x value, plus my b. Simplify this. It would give me a negative 2 equals, let's see, that times that. Looks like negative 6 plus b, or in this case, b is equal to 4. So my equation would be y is equal to 3/2 x plus 4, and that would be the particular answer for that problem. But notice I have to have a point and slope. I've got to have that. Now in problem 3, they're trying something a little bit different. Let me get me another sheet of paper here. I've got 2 points. Lovely. Well, I don't have my slope, but I can find my slope because I've got 2 points. So I've got to go find my slope first in this one. So my slope, difference of y's, so I'm going to use that y, it's x minus that y, that x. Let me clean this up a bit. That's 2 up there. Negative 1 plus 8, that would give me 2/7. So that's my slope. Now which point do I use? Well, it doesn't matter. I usually go with the smallest one just because I just like that. So go get my y value, which is 3, slope, x value, plus b. Let's see, it'd give me 3 is equal to a negative 2/7 plus b. Now either use that, you know, working with fractions. If I work with fractions, that would be, get a common denominator, that would be 21/7. Put it right here, 21/7. So I'd have to add that to both sides, so it'd be 23/7 would be equal to my b. Or, let me do it via calculator. See if I can get it in here so you can see it. Let me have my 3. I'm going to add 2/7, so plus 2 divided by 7. I'm going to go frac it. Fracking it is, you got to go to math. If you press math, you get that menu, and frac is the very first thing. And all I'm asking the calculator to do is change this into fractional form. So that's what we got, 23/7. So either by hand or by calculator, it's up to you. So I've got that. I've got my slope. So now my equation, y is equal to my mx plus b. Now in this situation, all 3 of these, all of my b values were positive, but if they come up to be negative, then I'd have a minus right there. Okay? And that's it for this video. Thank you.